Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all today? I want to welcome you to the Health Hackathon Risk Communication. My name is Russ Klein. I'm the program lead and the director at Sensi Tech Hub, which is a co-working space and innovation hub in Freetown, Sierra Leone. This is a program that we're doing in 4 ECOWAS countries. We started in Sierra Leone, moved to Liberia, now here we are in Abuja. Hi, I'm Russ Klein. I'm here from Sensi Tech Hub in Freetown, Sierra Leone, here in Abuja, Nigeria. And I'm participating as the leader of a hackathon, which is a developer competition at Civic Innovation Lab. The hackathon is focused on health and risk communication, which is a fairly narrow and esoteric topic. I'm finding that the Nigerian innovators, the young people who have chosen to spend a week with us thinking about health risk communication and how to apply technology to make the world better prepared and better able to recover and maybe even prevent an outbreak of disease. They're really bringing their passion and their skill. They're really throwing themselves into it 100%. We have 10 teams that have formed. They've really taken it to heart. They've really done their research so that they are sure they understand what we're trying to accomplish, what challenge we're giving them. Bringing some skills and some perspectives that I really haven't seen before.
I'm particularly impressed that we have about 70 people and 10 teams. And I think for me, it's the spirit that seems to be quite apparent in the participants. The energy and the possibilities that brings to them. I'm hoping that at the end of this couple of days, the participants will actually understand that they really do have a blank page where they can paint a beautiful picture. And what is that picture? A very effective way of using technology to address those risk communication aspects that really bedevil us and help us move forward in terms of protecting the health of our communities and people.
For me, it's the first time that I participate in a hackathon, and I find it very exciting and impressive. We heard a lot of very good technical contributions and inputs to guide the teams, and I'm also happy that we could organize 10 teams, and I'm really looking forward to learn about what they are working, what they are discussing, and what will be the results of this teamwork. And I find also the atmosphere is very nice and friendly and open and innovative. I very much appreciate also the location. And yes, I think it is a very good event, and I'm really looking forward to hear more about the results on Thursday after 2 days hard work by the teams.
For the e-info team or the e-info group, we've come up with a solution whereby we could disseminate information not just to the urban settlements but to the rural settlements. like in form of not exactly USSD but IVR, in which we could communicate to those even without a smartphone, with a little phone, Nokia touchlight phone. A pre-recorded voice or note would be there. It would either be in form of different languages: English, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Pidgin, as many as possible. And then that pre-recorded voice in any of the various languages that have been selected would then ask immediately if you need help.
So far, I would say it has been a marvelous experience. Being in a hackathon is an experience I've always wanted to have. So coming around, getting to see what it's like, feel the tension, feel the pressure, feel that adrenaline pumping, because we're trying to create something, you're trying to profile a solution, and then you have limited time. That whole thing just makes you go, wow, 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 I need to get there, I need to get this done. It needs to be perfect before this time. It's a wonderful experience. It's really a wonderful experience. The starting, we are looking at producing an app. We're preparing a solution in form of an app, a web app, and a mobile app. We are calling it Pandamedia. Okay, the name is such that it has to do with pandemics. That's what we're concentrating on, because we're looking at risk communication generally. So we're going to getting the message to the mass media from a very credible source. Now we're getting raw data from the Ministry of Information, the Ministry of Health, from NCDC, WHO, and we're taking it to the mass media. Now the mass media who are getting this information have the advantage of knowing who to reach, how to reach them. They know the people, they know exactly how to reach them. So that's generally the idea we have.
In Creative Minds, we've been able to develop a solution which we call Infodemics. So Infodemics is a system that helps alert the general public, urban and rural dwellers, of outbreak of emergencies in real time. So what this does is, it gives you access to download our mobile app, which gives you the location of the most current outbreaks. It gives you suggestions of preventive ways and locations of the closest hospitals where you can go and get first aid care. We also hope to engage community, traditional rulers, religious leaders, volunteers from different communities who will be able to go around and help us get information which will be used to pass to the general public. So we hope to keep these people motivated by giving them incentives for every verified outbreak which they report.
I'm a member of the Team Wakanda group, and we're here for the Sensi Hackathon. So we developed a solution called Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is a term in South African Zulu language meaning humanity. So Ubuntu now makes you interact with a personal assistant and makes you keep a reminder of healthcare issues related to you, and then makes you keep a tab on what you need to do, when you need to go for healthcare checkups, and how you need to be able to take care of yourself.
The name of my team is Amebo Verified. We realized that fake news, rumors, and false health alerts is a serious danger. So we decided to develop a system, a web-based system that will enable anybody to post any information regarding the health sector and to be able to verify on our platform.
I am representing Innovation Hub, and I'm a mentor on this program. That's the Health Hackathon on risk communication in West Africa. So I've had the opportunity to relate with the teams one-on-one, you know, get to know about all the ideas and get to see what they're actually building from scratch. And I must confess, a lot of the teams are really good. They really know what they're doing. They have an idea of the challenges they're trying to solve, and you know, they're trying out really good ideas.
This particular hackathon, it is really in line with ECOWAS vision, because this has brought youth, you know, in this case, from all parts of Nigeria, you know, together to come and demonstrate, you know, their capability. It has been a very interesting event right from the first day, you know, with the selection of the different teams. The teams have come together. I must say that the facility, you know, that was made available for them at this hub has really been very fantastic. The arrangement in terms of the feeding of the participants, in terms of explaining what the whole event is all about, and also in terms of giving them encouragement and also mentoring them, arranging people to come and meet them. It has really been very fantastic.
Our third prize goes to Team Wakanda.
My name is Elio Godson and I'm from Team Wakanda. We came third in the Sensi Risk Communication Health Hackathon. And so far so good, the hackathon has been worthwhile. It's really been amazing, yeah. 4 days of mentorship, of training, of hacking, of development, building, learning. It's been awesome.
Second prize, Team HEA. Please come up.
My name is Babangida Zakaria. I am from the HEA group. It really feels great, you know, being second position.
All right, the winning team. I want to welcome Team Creative Minds to the stage. A big round of applause.
My name is Ogidigbe Favor Ehimeme. I'm one of the members of the Creative Minds, the winners of the 2018 Hackathon on Risk Communication. We really want to appreciate the sponsors for giving us the opportunity to be able to showcase what we can actually do. The process was really challenging and we had to put a lot of hard work. And even though the time frame was really short, there was a lot of hard work, thinking, and then dedication. We're happy that we're able to bring something great to present. And what we've been able to develop within this short time, we want to improve on it, make it better, and see how it works best for everyone.
My expectations in the hackathon were met. Definitely. I was really impressed about the fact that all these people managed in just 2 days to put together a solution that would try to address a project in risk communication and based in technology. You know, they were confronted with something new. They were confronted with a very specific problem. They were given they were asked to do something very specific and they managed.
So we were here for the 4-day hackathon in Abuja, the Nigeria edition, so to say. And we were looking at 10 teams that had 10 really great ideas around risk communication, how to use innovative approaches and ICT tools for it. So we chose a winner, which is Creative Minds. The team called itself Creative Minds, and they had a very great approach towards reconnecting and distributing messages through an online app that they developed, and it's also the prototype that was very far. So we're really looking forward to taking this product further in the mentorship program, and very excited to see how it goes. So we hope the team gets all the support they need, and we'll be excited to see. A big thank you to the whole team of Sensi Tech Hub, who already went with us through the hackathon in Sierra Leone and in Liberia. So a big thank you. It was always a great experience, and I think they did a very, very great job. Same also the thanks to GFA, who are implementing together with us in Sensi Tech Hub the hackathon. And of course also a big thank you to Civic Innovation Lab, which provided this amazing venue. And I truly think it's a great place for creative atmosphere and creative minds.